Okay, so let's look at question 2a. This is question 2a. All right, we'll be coming to B shortly. So question 2a, it's a quadratic equation. What are we supposed to do in order to determine the values of x? Okay, so when you look at this equation, it has got a fraction. So the first thing that we're supposed to do is to get rid of the fraction. Okay, to get rid of the fraction. So to get rid of the fraction, if you have an equation like this, what you need to get rid of this fraction is to multiply each one of these three parts by x, because x is the denominator here. Okay, so I'm going to say x multiplied by 3x here, plus again x multiplied by 5 over x. This is equals to 12 multiplied by x. So the idea is that we want to get rid of this x here, so that this x and this one can cancel each other. In other words, we say x divided by x, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 5, it will be 5. So take note of that. So x multiplied by 3x, this gives us 3x squared, plus this x and this one. Like I already explained, x divided by x is 1. 1 multiplied by 5, we're going to have 5. This is equal to 12x. Okay? So as you may know, the format of our quadratic equation, we need to rewrite this one so that we have it in this form. Okay? I'm sure this is what we want to have. So we need to rewrite this one in this form. So we're going to have now 3x squared. This one has to come the other side. So it will be a minus 12x plus 5 is equals to 0. So we have what? 3x squared minus 12x plus 5 is equals to 0. So that's the equation that we're dealing with now. So take note of that. This the same. So after that, from this point now, we need to use our formula. Okay, as you may know, minus 4a over, this is 2a. Okay, so we go on and say, so what is our b here? You know, this is our a, b is negative 12, and c is positive 5. So our b, we can drop it down here. Our b is a negative, and this negative, they will give us a positive. So we are going to have 12. Okay, we're going to have 12 plus minus this is supposed to be squared. Take note of that. It's supposed to be squared here. So 12 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 3, multiplied by 5 there, over 2 multiplied by 3. Are we together? Are we together? X is equal to this. X is equal to this. Okay. So what do we get here? This gives us 12 minus plus minus. This is 144 minus. This is going to give us 12. 12. Then we have 120. Okay, isn't it? Well, this is going to give us 12, then 60. 60 over 6. Are we there? Then at this point now, we need to go on and say we have 12 plus or minus over 6. All right. So it's 144. 144 minus 60. So here we are getting 84. So what this means is that we're going to have two values of x. One of the values is going to come from a plus, the other one is going to come from a minus. So from this point, what we're going to start with, we'll start with, let me see if I can show you. We just say 12 plus the square root of 12 plus the square root of 84. Are we able to see this? Oh, can't. Okay. So just say punch on your calculator 12 plus the square root of 84 equals, on that equal sign, on that answer that you get, you divide it by 6. You divide it by 6. So you're going to get that one of the values of x, which is, it is 3.52752 5232. So when we get this one to 2 decimal places, it will be 3.53. Okay? Then the second one, we say 12 minus the square root now. Say 12 minus the square root of 84 equals, then divided by 6 also. You also divide it by 6. So the answer now is going to be, this one, let me round it off directly. So we can say this one is going to be equals to 0.47. 0.47. So the values of x, you have this one and this one. So this is what you were supposed to find on the first question of 2.